If you're thinking about buying Shift Robotics, you're in the right place. There are 7 important things you need to know before making a decision, and trust me, you'll want to stick around for all of them. Shift Robotics is making waves in the personal transport sector, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against its competitors. And to help you make the best decision, I'll also tell you how you can get the best deal and try the product completely free, just by clicking the first link in the description below. Let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that Shift Robotics is not just another scooter or e-bike. It's a game changer, designed as a next-gen mobility solution, offering convenience and portability with a sleek design. Unlike traditional e-scooters or bulky electric bikes, Shift Robotics focuses on integrating robotics to enhance user experience, making it lightweight, yet surprisingly powerful for everyday use. This could be your solution to cutting down commute time while avoiding traffic or crowded public transport. Next thing, and this one is critical, battery life. Shift Robotics offers impressive battery life that's on par with some of the best in the market. Depending on the model you choose, you can expect anywhere from 15 to 25 miles on a single charge, which is competitive when compared to other personal transport options like the boosted board or even the more expensive Segway models. But here's the kicker. Shift Robotics has an advanced charging system that gives you faster recharges, meaning less waiting time between rides. The third thing to know is how well it performs in different environments. Shift Robotics really shines when it comes to stability. It's built to handle different terrains without compromising on comfort. Whether you're on smooth pavement or navigating over minor bumps, it keeps you stable, thanks to its smart sensors and balance technology. This is where Shift Robotics edges out many of its competitors that struggle with uneven surfaces. So if you plan on using it in urban areas with inconsistent paving, you'll notice the difference. Moving on, the fourth thing, portability. This is something that's often overlooked, but not with Shift Robotics. Many e-scooters and personal transport solutions are just too big or heavy to carry around when you're not riding them. Shift Robotics makes it incredibly easy to fold and carry, even for short distances. It's ideal for people who need to hop on public transport or walk up a flight of stairs. This is a huge advantage over bulkier options like e-bikes, which can be a hassle to carry when you're not riding them. The fifth point to consider is safety. Now, while Shift Robotics is designed for stability, it's also equipped with features that promote rider safety. It includes anti-lock braking systems and smart lights to increase visibility, both of which give you peace of mind when riding at night or in busy urban areas. Other competitors don't always have this kind of attention to rider safety, especially in the mid-range price category, which could make Shift Robotics the safer choice for your daily commute. Sixth thing, Shift Robotics has an intuitive app. Not all personal transport devices have great companion apps, but Shift Robotics stands out with its easy-to-use interface. The app allows you to track your rides, monitor battery status, and even lock your device remotely for added security. This is a major plus compared to other similar products, which might have unreliable or clunky apps that don't offer these functionalities. Finally, the seventh thing to know. Shift Robotics has a strong community and customer support team. With personal transport devices, you want to be sure that if anything goes wrong, there's a responsive team ready to help. Shift Robotics has built a reputation for excellent customer service, offering timely responses and comprehensive solutions to any issues you may face. This is a big win compared to companies where support is hit or miss, which can be a deal breaker when you're investing in a product for daily use. If you're ready to try Shift Robotics for yourself, here's the best part. You can get an exclusive offer and try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is your chance to experience the innovation and convenience Shift Robotics brings to the table, with no risk involved. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So, whether you're looking to cut down your commute, improve your daily mobility, or just have more fun getting around, Shift Robotics is an investment worth considering. Don't forget to click that link in the description to secure your best deal and enjoy the exclusive benefits available only to viewers of this video.